Good morning, boys and girls, teachers and staff, and welcome to halfway through the week already. So today is Wednesday, February 19th of 2020, and here are our morning announcements for today. Boys and girls, if you have any of the world's finest chocolate money still with you, please make sure you get that turned into the office as soon as possible. So we need to get that money turned in so we can start planning and how to use that money for things for you. So make sure that you get that money turned in this week. February birthdays to announce. No birthdays to announce for today. We don't have any birthdays actually until the 21st, and then we have a couple happening over the weekend that we'll make an announcement on Friday for. For our lunch choices for today, we have cheeseburger, chicken patty, or chef salad. And today our paws are brought to you by first grade students in Mr. Z's class. All right, boys and girls, today we have some first graders here from Mr. Z's class to share some expectations throughout the school. Good advice. Thank you, guys. Thank you very much. And at this time, let's please take a moment of silence. Thank you. If you please stand for our Pledge of Allegiance. All right, boys and girls, it is time for our Pledge of Allegiance, so please make sure you're standing with your hand over your heart. I pledge
allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, liberty and justice for all.
Thank you very much, guys, and let's have a wonderful day today. Let's have a wonderful Wednesday, and everyone, let's do our best. Have a great day.